Hello viewers, welcome to Mathathon. Now for today's video, we will be constructing an equilateral triangle. Now from the word equilateral, we would have heard equal, some form of equal coming out, which simply means that all sides of the triangle would have equal length. Now we are going to construct an equilateral triangle of 7 centimeters, meaning all the sides of this triangle, when we're finished, should be equal to 7 centimeters in length. Now the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to draw a line of 7 centimeters. We're going to take our ruler and our pencil and draw a line of 7 centimeters. After which, we're going to take our compass and we're going to the starting point of the line, 7 centimeters, and we're going to open the compass to the width of the 7, and we're going to make an arc. Now, I'm going to start my arc from the end point because I do not want the width of my compass to move. If you are able to not move it, you can bring it up a bit and then make your arc. But for me, I'll start here because I do not want it to move, the width to move. All right. Now we're going to the other side of the line. And we're also going to ensure that our width is still 7. And I'm going to make another arc. Now you should notice that the arcs met. So I'm now going to draw a line from the starting point of my 7 centimeters through to where the arcs met. All right, just give me some time so I can align mine accurately. But you should be able to do it a bit faster than I am. So now I'm going to make, all right, this is close enough. So I'm going to use my pencil now and I'm going to draw a line through. All right, now let's measure to see if it would be 7. As I said, yours should be a bit more accurate than mine based on the tool that I'm using. So here we correctly have another side measuring 7 centimeters. Now I'm going to the other side to draw my line through from where the arcs met to the ending point of my line here. Once again, give me some time to align it accurately enough, but you should be able to do it a bit faster. All right, close enough. So now I'll draw my line here, after which I'll also measure it, which should give me close enough to 7. So here we successfully constructed an equilateral triangle of 7 centimeters and all sides equal, meaning all sides should measure 7 centimeters. Now I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching. Do remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe.